Hello guys, today we will discuss about the isotope effect from unit hydrogen. Isotope effect is the effect. Isotope effect is the effect occur on hydrogen molecule that is due to the different atomic mass. Beta, you all know hydrogen will exist in nature in three forms, that is in three isotopes, H11, H12 and H13. Atomic number of each hydrogen is same. Number of neutron 0 in this case, but this contain 1 neutron, this contain 2 neutron. So atomic mass of this hydrogen atom that do not have any neutron is 1, 2 and 3. The hydrogen with atomic mass 1 is known as protium. Hydrogen with atomic mass 2 is known as deuterium. And hydrogen with atomic mass 3 is known as tritium. That is known as tritium. Beta, it is represented by P, it is represented by D and it is also represented by T. Each hydrogen have atomic number 1, outermost electron 1. Each have electronic configuration 1, 1s1. That means they have similar chemical property. But some of the properties that depends upon the atomic mass. Some of the properties that depend upon the atomic mass are different. Those properties which are different due to different atomic mass or due to isotopes, that effect is known as isotope effect. It means some properties are different due to different atomic mass are known as isotope effect. Beta, example, rate of formation of hydrogen gas. Rate of formation of hydrogen gas is faster as compared to formation of deuterium gas. As compared to formation of deuterium gas. Same, electrolysis of water take place and electrolysis of deuterated water take place. Beta, protium is the radioactive in nature, so it will be ignored. It is radioactive. It causes some harmful effect because it forms radiations. Hence, it is radioactive in nature. Tritium produce radiations which harms us, then this is radioactive in nature, so it will be ignored. But deuterium is not radioactive. It will be compared, formed, stable, all that. But rate of reaction occur with hydrogen or protium is faster as compared to the rate of reaction with the deuterium. Either the deuterated water or sodium hydroxide and sodium deuteroxide. Same case, all the property of hydrogen is same as that of deuterium, but speed of the reaction is slow because of heavy mass. Electrolysis of simple water give hydrogen gas and oxygen. Deuterated water also give deuterium and oxygen. Deuterium or hydrogen from cathode, oxygen from anode. But speed of the reaction, hydrolysis of water is fast reaction, but electrolysis of deuterated water is slow reaction. That means this speed is changed due to isotope effect. Now hydrides, beta, preparation of hydrogen, chemical physical properties of hydrogen are not in your syllabus. In your syllabus, hydrides. In your syllabus, hydrides. Hydrides are binary compounds of element and hydrogen with general formula EHX. X is the number of hydrogen atom based on the valency of element. Or we can say X is the valency of element. In our periodic table, group 1, group 2 elements are metal. Group 13 to 12 are also metal. All are metal. 3 to 12 are metal. Beta 13 to 18 consist of metal, non-metal and metalloids. All lanthanoid and actinoids are also metal. Here hydrides are of three types. Beta ionic hydride that formed by group 1 and group 2 elements. Covalent hydride formed by group 13 to 18 elements. And these are the transition hydride or metallic hydride because they form all the properties of metal. First of all, ionic hydride. First of all, those elements which do not form hydride. Which element do not form hydride? Beta all lanthanoids, actinoids, elements of group 6. Elements of group 6 except chromium. Elements of group 6 except chromium 7 and 8. Beta they do not form any hydride. And with these noble gases also. These are the elements which do not form any hydride. That is the lanthanoid, actinoid, elements of group 6, 7, 8 noble gases. From the group 6 only chromium form one hydride, chromium hydride CrH. Then types of hydride, 3 types of hydride: ionic hydride, molecular or covalent hydride and metallic hydride. Ionic hydride. Ionic hydrides are formed by elements of group 1 and 2 except beryllium and magnesium. Except beryllium and magnesium. Other all elements of group 2 form ionic hydride. Better these two form hydride, but the nature of these hydride is covalent hydride. Are beryllium and magnesium form covalent hydride. They form covalent hydride. Ionic hydride is formed by group 1 and group 2 elements except beryllium and magnesium. Now general formula: beta for group 1 EH, valency 1, then 1 For group 2 it is EH2. E is the element of group 1 and group 2. Properties. Beta properties of these hydride. Properties of these hydride just similar as the properties of metal. Density remains same. Conductivity remains same. All the properties of these hydrides same as that of metals. Use. Beta ionic hydride are used as hydrogen storage. When required, they release electron and release hydrogen as hydrogen gas. Now, covalent hydride. Better now, covalent hydride or molecular hydride. These hydrides are formed by elements of group 13 to group 17 because noble gases do not form any hydride. Group 13 element form hydride. These hydrides are known as electron deficient in nature. Electron deficient in nature because after the formation of hydride, their valency is not complete. They do not, central atom do not complete its octet. Element of group 13 is the boron. It has 3 electrons in outermost shell. Hydrogen share this electron. After sharing, it has 6 electrons. And according to octet rule, any atom have tendency to attract to complete its octet, means 8 electrons, or duplet. Duplet is hydrogen, helium, lithium and beryllium only. And other elements complete their octet. But after sharing, boron share only 6 electrons, not 8. That means it is electron deficient in nature. Group 14 element form covalent hydride or molecular hydride. These are electron sufficient in nature. Electron sufficient in nature. Because after sharing it have complete 8 electrons, not more than 8 or less than 8. If number of electrons satisfied only, that is known as electron sufficient in nature. Group 13 element form electron deficient nature. Hydride. Group 14 give electron sufficient nature. And now group 15, 16 and 17. Beta after sharing they complete their octet, but they have lone pair and tendency to lone pair increase. Group 15, 16 and 17 element form hydride. All hydrides are electron efficient or electron rich, means they have more electron and they have tendency to lose these electrons. Beta, best one example you all will learn ammonia. Ammonia is basic in nature because it have tendency to lose electron. Nitrogen have 5 electron in outermost shell. Out of 5, 3 electrons are shared by hydrogen. After sharing, nitrogen have 1 lone pair and have tendency to lose this. That means it is basic in nature. It is the element of group 15. Element of group 16 is oxygen. It has 6 electrons in outermost shell. Out of 6, 2 are shared, 2 are as lone pair electrons. They have tendency to lose these lone pair electron to other or electron deficient compound. Group 17 may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, have 7 electron in outermost shell. After sharing 1 electron, complete the octet, form the bond, and 3 lone pair electrons are there, and all have tendency to lose these electron, either greater or lose, but Due to presence of lone pair electron, they are considered as electron rich or electron efficient hydride. Now, metallic hydride. Now beta metallic hydride. Metallic hydrides are formed by d block element because lanthanoid and actinoid do not form any hydride. Then beta group 3 to 5 and chromium of group 6 and 10 to 12 form hydride. These are metallic in nature. They are metallic in nature, but group 7, 8, 9 and 6. Sorry, beta 9 to 12. Do not form any hydrides. Then these are considered as hydride gap because they do not form any hydride. Now, hydride is the binary compound. Which element do not form hydride? Lanthanoid, actinoid, noble gases, group 7, 8, 9 elements and 6 element of chromium give hydride. Beryllium and magnesium give covalent hydride. Other nature are same. Revise the topic. Thank you.